Actually not bad, not as bad as the other time that one eh. It's actually quite nice eh.